Viewer advisory. This footage contains use of force, presented for legal education only. On the 17th of April 2023, Orlando PD responded to a disturbance call at Airport Gate 24.
Don't touch me.
We're not touching you, ma'am.
Leave me alone.
What's going on?
No, no, no.
Hey, I spoke with your husband earlier. I was the one to speak.
You spoke with him already.
I know, so are you on the phone with him?
Don't touch me. Leave me alone.
Are you... Can we talk? Ma'am, don't, please.
Do not.
Bitch, don't touch that.
Leave me alone.
Okay.
No, I am not stopping. You will back the fuck away from me.
You need to settle down so we can talk.
I'm sorry, baby. No. I am getting away from the people.
Over there.
Sorry, baby.
Over there.
No, leave me
Okay,
alone.
ready? Okay.
Touch me. Do not touch me.
Yeah.
No.
Till...
Do not touch me. Do not come near me.
Jesus.
Do not come near me.
Jesus. Move. Oh, sorry.
Do not come near me. Do not
Ma'am.
come near me.
All right, you need
My
to settle
hands
down.
are up.
You need
Don't
to settle.
touch me.
You need to settle down.
Don't touch me.
You need to settle
No,
down.
I will not settle
All right.
down.
Yes.
You will back
Yes,
up.
you will.
Before any physical contact, officers engaged in verbal de-escalation, hands raised, non-threatening posture. De-escalation is legally required before force under Florida policy. Florida statute, section 877.03 disorderly conduct, prohibits conduct that disturbs public peace. Screaming and erratic behavior in a crowded airport gate met the statutory threshold. The first charge disorderly conduct was established before officers touched her.
You will back up.
She's got a pen in her hand.
No, get off of me. Get off.
Get down on the ground.
Get
Down the pen. Down the pen.
Get off of me.
Settle down.
Ah! Woo! Get the fuck! Ah! No! Woo! Ah! Get off of me! Get off! Get off! Get off! No! No!
An officer announced she's got a pin in her hand. Under tactical doctrine, any rigid object in a clenched grip can function as an impact or puncture weapon. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386-1989. Force judged by objective reasonableness, from the officer's perspective at the moment, not with hindsight. The pen matters here. Graham's three-factor test: severity of crime, immediate threat, and active resistance. At initiation of contact, all three factors were present and documented on camera.
Stop biting me.
Stop! No! Get off of me! Oh! No, please! Please stop it! Please stop it!
Roll on yourself.
No! Get off of me! Get off of me! Oh! Get
Roll over. You're making it hard on yourself.
off
Back it.
me! Get the fuck off of
If
me!
you're about to get tased.
Get off! No!
So do you want to
No.
roll? We got to pick the time. Come on.
Stop! Get off of me!
Stop it.
No!
Stop.
Good job. Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Get off of me! Now!
The subject bit an officer on the neck. Florida statute, section 784.07 battery on LEO, elevates standard battery to a third-degree felony when the victim is an officer on duty. Officers did not deploy OC spray or a taser after being bitten. Under Graham, they could. Choosing not to escalate after a felony battery is legally significant. Documented restraint. Florida statute section 843.01, resisting with violence third-degree felony. Florida statute section 843.02, resisting without violence first-degree misdemeanor. 4 charges total, 3 felonies, all arose from an escalating chain of documented conduct. EMS noted the subject was pretty sensible, probative of willfulness under section 843.01. Willfulness is a required element. Coherence on scene supports the prosecution's burden.
Right now! Why did you let them them do this to you, baby. Get off! No! No! Please get off! Wow. Oh my God.
We're gonna need to take ours.
No, please don't put me in a cage car. Oh. Oh. Please get off of me. Get off
Can I?
of me now. No!
Stop.
No,
Just
please.
stop. All right, you need to settle down.
I know you have
you
a
sit down.
family too. Just
So just
don't
settle
do
down.
it to me.
All right.
I have kids. I have beautiful kids.
Get ours here.
Please leave me alone.
Just
Please
settle
leave
down
me
and
alone.
we'll get everything
Please
help
leave
for
me
you.
alone.
All right, we're gonna.
Little lady, we're gonna sit you up.
Please don't call me little lady.
Okay.
Okay, well, you help us with your legs, okay?
Is this your shoe over here too?
All right, sit down in the
Sit in the
wheelchair.
chair for us.
I don't wish to sit in.
We want you to sit
We'd like
down.
you to sit down, please.
Sit down, sit down, sit down.
Please, please.
Come on, sit down. Sit down.
Please sit down.
Please just sit down.
You want to get her feet up down?
No, don't touch me.
We're not touching
Please,
you.
do you have a family?
We're just getting the lift up. You can put
No,
your
no,
feet
no,
down
no,
if you want.
no. Don't let them take me, please.
Come on.
Please
Come on,
don't
we can
let
take
No, please don't let me. Why are all these men on me and nobody's trying to help me?
Ma'am, just put your feet here.
No, you're not.
Just put your feet
This
up here,
is
ma'am.
really. Oh,
Is there other sneakers?
I already. Don't touch me, please. Stop it. Why were you? Please don't let them take me.
You got it.
Does she have any other family members here?
Just hold on to her. Hold on to her.
You got it.
Her.
So there's some backstory.
No, get off of me.
We got the back,
There is a
Herbie.
backstory.
Herbie, you hang on to her. I got the back.
Family. Oh my God. Why are you recording me?
23, I guess. Just go left.
Please.
Just go left.
No.
Yeah.
I'm sorry this is happening to you, baby. Yes.
Excuse us.
Come on, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down.
No.
24.
Ah!
Yeah,
No.
Can you make some room?
No. Get off of me.
If she gets off, we're just gonna agree.
No. No, you can do it now. Yes.
Okay.
Right now.
Let's walk down.
I am not walking.
Ma'am, relax.
I'm sorry, baby. This is happening to you. You
We're
have
going this way, folks. Use us. Man, stop, please. Coming through here.
help me, please.
Thank you.
No. Please.
Come on now, you're picking up the pieces of property.
Please don't take me
Coming through
away. No. Ow. Ow.
Stop kicking.
No, please.
Come on, man.
No.
Come on, come on.
No. Ow. Help me. Ow. Ah.
Good. Come on, man.
No. I will not.
Come on, man.
We're almost there.
Come on, man. Come on, come on, come on. Come on.
Ah.
Come on, man. Come on, we gotta go.
No. Why have you only been doing this to me?
Yes.
Can you check my neck over here?
Please don't.
Excuse me. I don't know this.
No. No.
Is it broken?
You got a bite mark. No, it's not broken. It's swollen.
We're gonna be to your left.
Been bite mark.
Was that a bite?
Yes, you've been in the neck.
Sit her down.
No. Do not.
We have to do this. All right. Bring her out.
So they got it.
You're breaking my back.
Nobody's breaking anything.
Help me. Ah.
Grab her arms. You guys ready? On three.
No.
1, 2, 3. Up she goes. Let me get in front.
Ow! Ow, my arms! Please put me down. I will walk now. Ah!
Okay. Stop screaming now.
Ow! Let me out
You're
of
gonna walk now, you said. You said you
Telecom
walk.
Officer 992, 4 hour
We
unit
held
check.
you up now, and now you're gonna walk with us.
Get off of me.
Grab her leg. Grab her leg.
I'll talk to you when we get down there, okay? All right, ma'am. I'll talk to you when we get down there.
Bad idea. We're gonna have to put her on the stretch.
Why you
No, okay,
letting
they're
them
not.
do this?
All right, here, back in, back in, back in, back in.
A full cocktail.
Yep. AMR still coming?
No!
You want them to look?
Do not give me any drugs. I don't use any drugs.
If you're gonna sedate her, can we get a stretcher up here then?
No! No, I don't use any me
They're right
drugs.
here and they're ready to do
They're
this.
trying to
Have them
subject
get the
me.
stretcher up.
We're gonna put soft restraints on you, okay? We're gonna put soft cuffs on you.
Can we do soft restraint on her?
I know. These are-
Ow!
And then one cuff to the gurney. And make sure you get clearance on that.
Yes, will do,
Hey,
sir.
just come pick me up at the truck.
Thank you.
All right.
No, please don't take me in there. Please, for God's sake. Ah! Take me to the doctor. Ow!
All right.
I put my arm inside of this. Yeah, dear, we're gonna just keep it right out there, okay?
I'll be,
We put a non-intubated cap mill on the back of the stretcher.
Okay.
I'm gonna be in there with you. Hold on.
We're going to put you in this seat.
Okay.
That way you're out of sight, and it may keep things from getting. She's pretty
understandable.
She's
I'll
pretty
just sit there. I'm
sedated.
just gonna be.
Yep.
All right. Appreciate it, guys.
Grading officers. B. De-escalation documented. Force proportionate throughout. No less lethal weapons deployed despite felony battery. Soft restraints cleared procedurally. Deduction. Little lady dismissive language toward a distressed adult. Unprofessional. Grading subject. C+. Distress acknowledged. Biting an officer is felony battery regardless. Resistance was volitional. Cooperation before physical contact was available and declined. Grading department. BEMS integration and soft restraint protocol showed awareness. No crisis intervention team activated. CIT is best practice when psychiatric disturbance is suspected. Key lessons. First, document de-escalation. It is the legal foundation, not a formality. Second, any object in a clenched grip is a potential weapon under Graham analysis. Third, biting an officer is a felony. Physical resistance carries felony-level exposure. Fourth, not escalating after provocation defines professionalism and limits civil liability. Fifth, mental health crisis and criminal liability are not mutually exclusive under Florida law. The subject is presumed innocent. Charges are not convictions. The court decides. Let us know what interaction or legal topic you want analyzed. Drop it in the comments. Thank you for watching. Check out Street Bodycam for more police and courtroom content.